Hey, this is TechRacer and I want to unbox a game controller or game pad. This is basically a USB wired game pad for PS3 or PC or laptop. So recently I was in search of a good game pad for my PC and I found out this one. So it is like a good budget friendly, or you can say affordable gamepad that you can purchase. So I just purchased it from Amazon and link will be in the description, so you can go and purchase it from there. So if you take a look at the box, there was an outer carton in which it was delivered. So I just removed it and this is the box that we get. So do not get any seal on this box. So this is how it is. It's available in two color, that's blue and red. Sorry, black and red, and this is in red color. So first let's quickly take a look at the box. So at the bottom we have some information about the controller, like it's durable. Then it does have the dual vibration, that's the dual shock mode when we use like some games which does support dual shock. Then we have sensitive joysticks and 5.5 meter cord, not meter, feet of cord. And the back there is some another information like WE07, that's the model number, some couple of information over here. At the below or at the bottom you can see compatibility, so PS3, laptop, PC, and supports all the version of Windows right from XP to Windows 10. So this is how the box looks. So let's quickly open the box and take a look at the content inside. uh, and this is in red color as I mentioned. So once we open the box, we take out the controller, and yeah, we do get the CD as well. So that's it from the box. So this is a CD. I think this CD will contain the required drivers for the DualShock and all, but I think Windows has the plug and play feature, so it might get it installed without any issues. So you do, if your computer or laptop supports USB, then sorry, no, CD drive, then you can install the drivers as well. Then small user manual for like initial installation and how to use it, nothing else. Then we have our controller itself. So if I take it from this package, so overall the packaging is good, no issues as such. And this is how the controller looks. So as I mentioned, it's in a black and red combination, and initial impressions, it does look really very good. As you can see, the quality of the plastic, the overall body is really very good quality considering the price. So for that it's really very good. So if we look at the cable, this is how the cable is, and cable is pretty long as you can see, so you can easily connect it to a console or your PC, and it is good. This is the USB interface. As you can see, it's a USB wired, and the cable is of braided type, so really a very good quality of cable. So I really like the type of cable quality they have provided. Then we have all the buttons over here, like L1, L2, R1, R2, and these are all the buttons. There are some weird like symbols on the buttons. I think they're like for X they have like this incomplete, so basically these are incomplete symbols. So yeah, then we do have two joysticks over here. Then we do have a middle button that will switch on or off the controller. As you can see at the top, we do have 4 LEDs, that's 1 2 3 4, that will indicate the player. So we have multiplayer, so this the LED will indicate which player you are currently. Then we have some arrow keys over here, same the L1 L2s, and at the back some information or the branding only. But overall a very good firm grip when we hold it in the hand, and we get that confident feel while using the controller. So really a very good controller that I can like that you can purchase considering the price. So I got this for around 500. Basically I got a combo of these, so I got two of these for 1000 rupees. So that's really a good deal for me. Individually if you purchase this, I think it will cost you around 550 or 600 rupees, but yeah, if you get in combo, that will cost you around 500. So for 500, definitely it's really very good uh, controller that you can get. And yeah, you do get a nice feel while holding it in the hand. So let's quickly connect it with my laptop because I don't have any other like console. So let's try to connect with laptop and see how does it works. I think it will work out of the box, like if you plug it into, it will directly work by default. So yeah, it should directly work with your PC. So let's quickly connect with the laptop and see how does it works. Okay, so guys, this is my laptop and this is our gamepad. So I'll simply connect it through a USB port. Any port is compatible, like whether it's be USB 3 or 2, it is fine. So it's detected on my laptop. As you can see, now we have one the LED one that has been lit up. It means that this is the player one, or you can see this P3 button usually we it's used to turn or on or off the controller, and the controller is connected now with the laptop. So I'll simply launch a small game in order to demonstrate if how it works. So if I go to this like this is then an emulator. So if I go to pads, you see player one, and this is the joystick. As you can see, now it is moving this whenever I have change, so it does move over here. So the controller, as you can see, this is for the R1 R2. So as you can see, it does move. So when I give a command right from here, so the controller is connected. So let's quickly launch the game, and I'll just quickly give you a brief overview or like how the controller is working fine or not. Simply launch the game. So we'll wait for a couple of minutes, or I'll continue the video once the game is launched. So guys, we are back and the game has been loaded, as you can see, and the controller is connected. So if I like click on now the X button, it should start, as you can see. So it's working fine. So if I again click on X, it will simply show me all the, and it's working right from here, as you can see. So the buttons I'm clicking, it's responding to it. So if I click on this, let's give it a quick play. So I'll simply click on a new. Let's take I'll skip this part as well. So talking about the controller, the feel, the in-hand feel, and the actual the feel that we get when we hold it in the hand, it's really very good. It's really very comfortable. So you do not have anything like poking my hand. So really a good and comfortable feel whenever we hold it in the hand. So that's really a good thing about the controller. And overall, the build quality is really very nice. So yeah, you can definitely consider this controller if you have a good budget of 500 around. And in 500 we usually get different controllers as well, but I think this is the like one of the good or one of the best you can have. There are some others from other brands as well, like Quantum and all, but I think this is worth a try. So yeah, I really like the overall quality of the controller. So yeah, so I think the game has been launched, so I'll just play it for a couple of minutes and then we'll simply pause it just for the sake of demonstration. So as you can see, the game has been started, and so as you can see, yeah, I did made a good shot. So yeah, it was a boundary. So yeah, the controller does work nice, and from this button you can turn it on or off, as you can see. So yeah, this is how it is. Okay, let's just get a shot. Oh, I missed the wicket. Yeah, so yeah, this is how it is. So yeah, so I think for the price of 500, definitely this is worth the money you can pay. So yeah, if you are considering a budget of 100, definitely you can try out this one. The link for this control will be in the description, so you can go and purchase it from there, and definitely 100% recommended from me. So yeah, so I think guys, this is pretty much it for this video guys. If you found this video really helpful, then do that like button and subscribe button, and stay tuned for more such video guys. So yeah, thanks for watching. Let's enjoy this one. Oh, it was a wicket. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one.